guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and today I'm gonna make for you a delicious mushroom quiche. It has just a few ingredients, and it's super yummy. You guys are gonna like it. So we have 6 eggs that we beat up into a bowl here, and we are gonna add 3/4 of a cup of almond milk. You can also use a heavy cream or a regular milk, but I like to use almond milk. And we're just gonna kind of whisk it together like so. After that, we're going to preheat our oven to 375 degrees and get a lightly oiled pie plate. This is a crustless quiche, so that is so hard to say, but so we don't actually need a pie crust or anything in our pie plate. We are then going to lay out our mushrooms and a little bit of red onion into the dish. And then what I like to do is just kind of mix it all together like so. Then we have our cheese. I have a Gruyere cheese here that we're gonna lay in as well. Nice and shredded up. And then kind of just like fold that into the mushrooms and onions. Last step, we're gonna pour our egg mixture evenly over our mushrooms, onions, and cheese. And then get this quiche ready for the oven. Then we're baking it for about 40 to 45 minutes at 375 degrees. After about 45 minutes, you have yourself a delicious mushroom and onion and Gruyere cheese quiche. It's crustless, it's still healthy, and you guys are really gonna like it. It's a super easy recipe that is very yummy. You know it's done when you can pull out a fork or a toothpick clean, and after that, dig in. I like to eat quiche for breakfast, for lunch. Sometimes we even have it for dinner. So it's really something that you can have at any time of the day, and it is super easy to make. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this every week. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.